What's exciting about laser lipo and vaser lipo is that it really falls right into the fold of what it is that we're trained to do. And that involves the laser technology and the ultrasound technology, which is this vaser procedure. This is a very passionate subject for a lot of people. You get a lot of excitement when you start talking about liposuction in general. And it is very non-traditional. This does not involve any major invasive cutting, anesthesia. It is something that is now going to become available to the mass number of people because we are able to keep the costs so low because we don't have these overhead costs of general anesthesia, OR times, and things like that. Now, having had background in general surgery, I can appreciate how minimally invasive or non-traumatic all of these procedures are in general with the use of this ultrasound or the use of this laser technology. The best part probably of the entire procedure is the fact that patients can go home the next day, or I mean they can go home the same day, but they can go to work the next day. This is something that doesn't take people out of their normal activities. We have a lot of patients who come on a Friday and they're back to work on Monday. Well, what really appeals to me personally as a physician in offering this procedure to a patient is the risk-benefit profile. As a physician, you're always constantly looking at your patients. You're making a judgment call on providing a service that has some benefit and has a risk profile. Well, you know, most of the time, physicians are treating patients who have some type of disorder or some kind of a medical problem. Well, here's a situation in which you don't really have a medical problem. This is something that patients are wishing to do to improve the quality of their life. So the threshold has to be very high on the risk side. And so with this procedure, the risks are so minimal because of the way the procedure is done that it really allows us to be very comfortable in allowing patients to use this as an alternative to the traditional liposuction procedure. You know, over 400 procedures that we've done in our practice, we've had 0 complications. This is one of the main reasons why I felt compelled to want to get involved in this procedure, because the downside's very little. The upside's very, very good.